close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 Korean hairstyles, and you can wear this hairstyle while you are going to office for work, or if you're going to college, or even if you're going to schools, if schools allow. Okay, so without a further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first hairstyle I'm going to show you, for that you need to part your hair from the middle, and let me do the same for you. So take a comb backwards and part your hair from the middle. This hairstyle is a very nice, very pretty hairstyles. You might have seen many Korean actresses wearing this hairstyle if you're interested in watching K-dramas and all. Okay, so since now I have parted my hair from the middle, now let's make that hairstyle. For that I'll be taking this thinner comb and section my hair from around the last segment, from around the last of the middle part, and leave a little hair from the front part and take the rest of the hair like this. Comb it. With some more hair. Okay, so I have taken this much hair, you can see, from here till here, and now I'm gonna tie it with the rubber band. So I've taken this plastic rubber band and now I'm gonna tie it. कितना चिल्लाती है मम्मी. Okay, so now that I've tied it, I will make a small section in this and will twist it from inside, just like this. Okay, so it is done. See, so this is how it is going to look. Alright, now we need to take some hair from the below part. Take at least hairs from your ears, so it's going to be a very graceful look. So yeah, so there should be less hair right here. Comb it a little bit and pull it from the section that we have pulled just now. So pull it from inside. Okay, so take this hair and secure it with the hairpin so that this hair doesn't lose off. And this hair, we need to tighten it a little bit like this. So this part is done. I'll do the same this part as well. So taking section of my hair like this. I'm taking the front hair from this part until I match my from here to here. Okay, so now let's take the hair of this part onto the ears. Okay, once I got to it, so make a section. Now taking the hair from my ears onto the ears, and now let's take it from this part. Let's take it from this side and through here. And now I just pass this part. So it is done, so this is how it will look. You can curl your front hair a little bit outside so that it will get full Korean look. And yeah, so this is how it will get done. And if some hair suppose pulling out from this side or this side, you can always tuck it in using hairpins and all. I have not seen mirror, so that's why maybe some hair coming out from this side and this side as well. So you can please ignore that part, and while doing this hairstyle you must be looking in the mirror so that you'll be knowing from where it's pulling out, so you can do it perfectly and there will be no problem in that. And if you want to get front hair bangs like this, you can check out this video, and I have cut my own bangs, so I have explained everything how you can cut it too. So please make sure to check out that video, and I'll also mention the link to my hairstyle playlist in the description box below, so make sure to check that out, and I'll also add that in the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the end because we have 2 more hairstyles to go. So yeah, this is how this one looks, isn't it? Now let's move on to the next one. So do you like that hairstyle? If yes, then do like this video and give it a heart. And now let's move on to the next hairstyle, that is hairstyle number 2. And for this we need to take hair in the opposite direction, in which generally we part. So I generally part from this side, so I'm taking it from that side. Now because this parting hair in the opposite direction give it a more fuller look, it looks more voluminous. Okay, so now that is done, we need to take sections, small sections first. Divide your hair in 2 parts from the back side. Okay, so one part is this one, and now we need to work with this part only right now. So take sections like this, small sections. Okay, divide it into 2 parts like this and twist it like this. So if some hair is leaving behind, that is okay because that looks beautiful. And repeat this process. So like take this small strands from here and mix it with this one. Take some strands from the back side and mix it with the another one like this and twist again.
So you need to repeat this process until you reach the end. So I'm gonna do the same. Just if you want to know how I cut my bangs, so I will give a link to my hairstyle playlist in the description box below. So make sure to check that out. Also, I will add the video playlist in the end of this video. So make sure to stay till the end and see the next hairstyle and this one after completing. Alright.
So first, again, add some hair from here. And then go back side, twist here, again. And again. Here we go, guys. Here we go, guys.
So right now we are talking about Korean hairstyles. So let me know if you like Blackpink because I love them. So this is done. So I have twisted it till the end. Now let's leave it like this only. Small parts coming out, so don't worry about them because it's gonna look beautiful in the end. Now let's work on the second part.
So we need to basically same thing with this answer. So take the strands divided into 2 parts and twist. Again, twist. Twist down, twist down, twist down, twist down, twist down, twist down.
So I've taken it to this side, move, give it one twist, and now we need to make kind of plaits with this one. So twist both of them alone with the twisted hairs. So trust me, it's gonna look awesome. Okay, so let's pull the hair out a little bit so that it looks voluminous. The key to look voluminous. And from here as well. How's it looking? Let me show you from the back side as well. So let me know how it looks in the comments down below. And see, it is very simple, right? And the hairstyle was not a big task. Anyone can do it, even a beginner can do it. So do support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. So yeah, it is very simple, very cute, very nice looking hairstyle. And now let's move on to the next one. So now let's do the third hairstyle. So for that, we need to part hair from the middle. So a best way to find the middle part is keep your comb to your nose and like this. So I found this is the middle. See, perfect middle. And now what we need to do is to leave small front part and take this and take hairs like this and tie it with a rubber band just like we did in the first hairstyle. Just like this. Now we place this one. So if you are until here, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So to get more such videos like this, and press that notification icon as well, so to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also I upload videos around skincares and haul videos, so make sure to check that out as well. I'll mention the links of the playlist in the description box below. Now I'm gonna tie it here. It's done. So what we need to do next is take the rest of the hair up until the ears like this. Keep it separate. Take hairs from like this, comb it and tie it up with a rubber band. Make sure to not tighten it up, like don't tie it from like here, so make sure you have some space here. Okay, so now that I've tied it using rubber band, I will take it into 2 parts and twist it from inside once and twice, just like this. And now this one needs to go through this one, just like this, and I'll tighten this up now, just like this. So same we need to do with this part as well. Take hairs on this part, tie it up, tie it up and wipe it down. Raise Raise your cups and lock it down. Tie it up. Put it down. I was thinking little one. Okay, so yeah, need brace again.
Okay, same thing we need to do. We need to take hairs from up here, right, loosely, little. Just enough. This is enough for my hair. Okay, now part it and twist it once, twist it twice, and put it through. Now plant it up.
Okay, so I think this is the final look. I mean, if you wanna like open this one, you can do that. If you wanna tie it like this, you can do that. If you want to tie this part, then also you can do that. So you can style it in different ways. So many innovative ways you can use to make this hairstyle look more cuter. So this is how it looks. Let me know in the comment section if you like this, and yeah, if you like this, do like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I will be bringing more such cute hairstyle videos like this. Not just Korean hairstyle videos, but Indian hairstyle videos and Western hairstyle videos as well. So stay tuned on my channel by subscribing it and pressing that notify icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, stay tuned and make sure to watch the video in the end screens here and here, wherever it is. So I have added the skincare playlist and this hair tutorial playlist. So yeah, make sure to check them out. And until then, eat healthy, live healthy, take care of yourself, live your life to the fullest, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.